Hello everyone, welcome back to Mama in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make crispy garlic Parmesan salmon. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the ingredients. Over here I have 3 pounds of salmon I've cut up into 7 pieces. And then I have 1 cup of seasoned breadcrumbs, 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, about 1.5 sticks of salted butter that I went ahead and melted, and then 1/3 of a cup of chopped parsley, 6 large garlic cloves that I've minced, and some salt and pepper to season the salmon. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to be doing is in a bowl I'm going to mix my Parmesan cheese, breadcrumbs, parsley, garlic, and the butter, and I'm going to go ahead and give that a good mix until it's well combined. Right, and this is what the mixture will look like once it's well combined. And now I'm going to go ahead and season my salmon with some salt and pepper. So I'm going to be using about half a tablespoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and I'm just going to sprinkle some on to each piece. Alright, and after seasoning with salt and pepper, now I'm going to go ahead and just add that Parmesan mixture on top of my salmon, and I'm going to be pressing it in like this. You can use a spoon to do this if you like, but I like to use my hands. And I'm just going to go ahead and cover the top of the salmon to all my pieces, and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so after adding the Parmesan mixture onto all my pieces, the last thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be spraying the top of this with some Pam butter spray. So I'm just going to spray a little bit on top of each piece, and then I'm going to bake on 400 for 16 minutes. It could be 15 to 20 minutes depending on your oven. Righty, so it's been baking on 400 for 16 minutes, and now my salmon is ready to serve. I'm going to be serving this with an arugula salad and some lemon wedges. This tastes great with a little bit of lemon on top, so I like to squeeze some of that lemon on top of the salmon. And this is the final dish of this crispy garlic Parmesan salmon. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe.